In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to make this beautiful invisible hand stitch. If this is what you would like to learn, please stay tuned and watch my video to the end. Like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel to be seeing more videos like this. Let's dive right into the tutorial. This is the piece of material that I'm going to use. This is my needle and thread. I'm going to use a contrasting thread so that you'll be able to see and understand what I'm doing. That is why I don't want to use matching thread, so that it will not look as if it's hidden because the thread are matching. No, it's hidden because this is an invisible hand stitch. So let me show you how to go about it. You will start from the left. If you start from the left, first of all, make a knot. Make a knot, as in tie your thread to one side of the material. In this case, I'm tying it on the right side. I'm tying it. After tying it, let me tie it very well, then I'll show you what to do. Now after tying it, you go in and come out on that same side. Go in and come out with your thread on the same side. Then you move over to the left side, go in and come out again. Just watch closely. I'll be explaining, but watch closely, you understand what I'm doing. I've gone in and come out on the left side, then you move over to the right side. We're doing crisscrossing. You do left, you do right, you do right, you do left, like that. Now I've moved in on the right side, I've come out, then I'm moving in on the left side, then coming out. Watch closely, you will understand what I'm doing. Then you draw, but don't draw too tight. You move in on the right side, you come out, you drag it, you go over to the left side, you move in and you come out, you draw it. You will see ladder-like structure, structures that are ladder-like. It's as if it's ladder. Just be watching closely. I'll do it repeatedly so that you understand what I'm doing. This is very easy and it will help you a lot in most of the stitches you're doing. If you don't want your stitch to come out, maybe you're finished turning your material or your cloth and you want to do the final stitches, and if you use machine it will show. Just use this kind of invisible stitching. Everywhere is sealed up, especially on your bonnet. If you want to do bonnet, that turning point, you can use this invisible stitch and stitch it out. It will not be visible, nobody will notice it. Look at the ladder-like structure. I'm going in now, come out, then I'm pulling. Look at it. Let me turn my video so that you'll be able to see it very well. Sorry, my camera. Look at it. I'm drawing it. Let me draw it now. I hope you're seeing it, but subsequently you will see it. I've drawn it. It's invisible. Look at it. You will not see any trace of the yellow thread. No trace of the yellow thread. But let's continue. I hope you will see it very clearly subsequently. Look at it. I'm still repeating it so that you understand. Look at, we stopped at the right side. Now we are going to start at the left side. Don't start at the right side where you stop. That place you've done it already, so you're going to start at the left side. Then you move over to the right side, go in, come out and pull. Then you go to the left side, go in, come out and pull. Then you go to the right side, go in, look at it, go in, come out and pull. The distance is not up to, it should not be up to 2 millimeter. Very tiny distance. Don't make the distance to be much. It should be together. You can try it and see the outcome. And we're going in, go in, come out and pull. Go in, come out and pull, go in on the right side, come out and pull, go in on the left side, come out and pull. Don't pull too tight. After you have done like you have covered a lot of ground, then you pull close. Right now just be going in, come out and pull, but don't pull too tight. Look at the leather like structure, look at it, then go in on the right side, come out and pull, go to the left side, go in, come out and pull, go in, come out and pull. Continue like that to get to a reasonable distance. Then you look at the leather like structure, then you pull, pull, look at it, look at it. It's working like magic. Just pay close attention, you understand how it's being done. If that place is gathered, you straighten it out with your fingers. Look at it, make sure you straighten it out. Look at it, look at it. Is you will not see the thread anywhere. Remember, I'm using a contrasting thread. It's a yellow thread on a sky blue material. Look at, you will not see the thread anywhere. Then you continue like that, continue going in left and right, left and right, left and right, till you get to the end of a reasonable distance. Then you pull. Look at it, look at the magic, pulling it now. Look at it, bam, sealed, sealed. This is so beautiful, this is beautiful. You can continue like that till you get, let's continue and get to the end of it. Remember, if you stop on the left side, when you want to begin again after pulling, you start on the right side. And if you stopped on the right side, when you want to start again, start from the left side, and vice versa. It's a continuous process, but it's a crisscrossing, or yes, crisscrossing. You do this side, you do this side, don't continue on the same side. No, this side, then this side. You go in, come out on this side, and you go in, come on out on the other side. Continue like that till you get to the end. Then we'll pull our thread close. Look at it, look at it, going in, coming out, going in, coming out and pulling, going in, coming out and pull, go in, come out and pull. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe. My returning subscribers, thank you very much, I love you all. This tutorial is going to help you a lot. It has been helping me a lot, and I believe that it will help you a lot. Just watch closely, you understand what I'm doing. It's very easy and simple. Then pull. I'm pulling it tight. Look at it, the stitches is hidden, totally hidden. Let me show you. Is totally hidden. Look at the thread, it's a yellow thread, but you're not seeing it anywhere. The stitches are hidden behind. Just use your iron, open it and iron it. Look at the side where the stitches are hidden, then open the middle, then you iron it out. Iron it out, everything is covered and sealed. You can use this and make your clothes. It's very beautiful. You will not see any stitch anywhere. This is beautiful. Thank you for watching. I love you all. You people are the real MVPs.